Moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, extremely poor visibility in heavy snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 30 miles per hour. Source, radar and webcams. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. Including the following interstates. Interstate 39 between mile markers 73 and 107. Interstate 88 between mile markers 45 and 118. Interstate 90 between mile markers 33 and 74. Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 31. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 6. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 31. Locations impacted include Aurora, Elgin, Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Schaumburg, Palatine, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Glenview, DeKalb, Buffalo Grove, Bartlett, Crystal Lake, Streamwood, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Carpentersville, Wheeling, and Addison. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Serious injuries and deaths may result from people exiting their vehicles during the... This is NOAA Weather Radio. Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Edgewater, Michigan North.